Okay, so this is a short video to show how to create a playlist that you can share with other people to also add their own songs. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic as my screen recording tool. There's plenty of other options out there, but I'm using their free version because it's what I'm familiar with. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this first video that I was looking up. Okay. Then we have our video, and you look at the options down here, and it says Add To when you hover over it. You click that. You have options here for your current playlist that you have, but you can also create a new one. I am going to name this. Let me turn this down just a little bit. We'll call this Notorious PPV. Okay. Created that, and it's public, by the way. You have other options that you could have chose, but it's automatically going to choose public for you. Alright, so let's choose a different song. Let's actually look up the Notorious B.I.G. Let's see what happens. Alright, so let's choose Big Papa. Now, you hit Add To, and we can add it to our Notorious PPV playlist. Okay. And there was a little message down here that you may not have seen, but it says it was added. So it'll tell you when it's been successfully added. Okay, so now you've got a playlist started, and you want to go ahead and start making it public to others to be able to add to it. So if you noticed, my YouTube account, I'm logged in with my Google account. That makes things a little bit easier. So here's my whole YouTube account. I hit playlist, and you see all my options here, and we see our Notorious PPV. Now don't click this because that's just going to give you the list of songs. What you want to click is View Full Playlist. And here's our playlist. Okay, you hit edit. You can actually share it here. You can do playlist settings. You could do auto ads, but you can also collaborate. So you say collaborators can add videos to this list, and then you get the link. Okay. You can do it that way, but the other option too is to just hit share, and you can say allow people the link to access to add these videos. So there's two different ways in which you can make this editable by other people. You can see I emailed myself a version of this earlier, but let's see how this works this time. Okay, playlist. Okay, so you click that, and here's our playlist. And if people want to add videos, they just come over here to the right-hand side, and you search for whatever video you want. So let's say we wanted to do, let's do some old school country. Okay. So you can either double click that, or you can just click add video. And there it is. Now something really cool I didn't realize you could do before is you can look at your list of songs and you can hit more, and you can actually say add edit notes, and you could say Emily added this. So when your collaborators are looking at this list, we can see who added what, or whatever else you want to say about that. Okay, that's all I have for this. Hope you enjoy.